everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I will guide everyone. Use of software tools. Twitter. So that we can. It's about automatically warm up Twitter accounts. This is the main interface of the Twitter software. The software will help us manage unlimited Twitter accounts. And we will have sections like posting, for example, automatic multiple accounts, scan data, or change the information, automatic follow, and so on. Today I will guide everyone. Keep automated Twitter accounts. This part of farming will help us automate action like real people. So first we're going to go to the script selection. These are the scripts. Activity of Twitter accounts. Here we will have actions like a real person, such as reading a message board, like to see the message board, and so on. That, and we can be interactive with the followers, or follow this, or specific accounts. These specific accounts, we could be scanning out of the data scan. It's here to warm up. Like a real person, then we'll be able to choose. These are actions. And here I've got a basic farming script. Just read the live bulletin class announcement and, like a normal person, here's the most basic farming scenario. And we can be. Set up other scenarios according to the needs in the section is. Create a new script here. That's the same. We already have the script. And now I'm going to choose these accounts. After choosing an account, I will set up some basic configuration. For example, the number of threads. Here's the number of accounts running at the same time. Here me to 10 means 10 accounts running at the same time. And here we can also do a spin, so that the account can rotate that many times. But I won't. And now I just need to start. The software will automatically warm up the Twitter account. Anyone who needs a live demo, contact me by phone number or tell by everyone.